Today, we are going to tour 8297 W Clemente Way in Florence, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this well-maintained, newer 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage, located in the growing community of Florence. This thoughtfully designed home offers comfort, functionality, and a bright, open layout filled with natural light. At the heart of the home is a stylish kitchen featuring stone countertops, a center island with seating, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinetry. Just off the kitchen, the dining area flows seamlessly into the open living room. Step outside to enjoy the beautifully landscaped backyard, complete with a grassy lawn, pavers, a small covered patio, and a shed for extra storage, great for outdoor living and entertaining. This home features tall ceilings and doors, with neutral paint tones that create a clean and airy feel throughout. There are 4 bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and plush carpeting. Located in a great neighborhood, this home is part of a newer community with a welcoming feel and easy access to shopping, dining, and Highway 79. You're just a short drive from Santan Valley and Queen Creek. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The private primary suite is tucked away at the back and includes a barn door entry into the ensuite bathroom. Inside, you'll find a dual sink vanity, a walk-in shower, a separate toilet room, open shelving, and a spacious walk-in closet. Thank you for watching the tour, and have a great day.